Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you a tricks if, like me, you got a mess with those kind of drink. I'm not sponsored by Monster, but it's really what happens. By the way, I'm sorry for my English because my first language is French, but what happened to me, I have to break really quickly and I spill all this drink all over this console right there. So what happened to me, the button start to came very sticky, and sometimes they was stuck in the position. By example, the hazard light was completely stuck, and this button was my main problem because sometimes the switch was very close to be in contact. So sometimes I receive a call, hey buddy, there's a car, a Kia in the parking lot with the hazard switch on, and I wasn't let this switch on because because it was very close to be on, because the button was sticky due to this sugar drink. Just this part right there is $400 because you cannot just replace the button, and this is very annoying because I never know when the button will come on. So I try something and I find the way to repair my problem. I use a steam machine like this one. This one is a Dirt Devil. So basically what you want to do is just to spread steam all around you don't want to go crazy, but just try to steam a little bit and work the button, and the sugar will melt and it's gonna free your button, and now it works just like new. So I'm really happy with it because I was always a worry to drain my battery. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So just a little bit of steam like this won't hurt your electronic. If you are worried, you can always use some contact cleaner because this is they got a lot of alcohol in it and it's gonna evaporate. So this is another way to repair that, but I'm happy I fixed my mess with a little bit of steam, and my machine cost me somewhere around 50 bucks. And now most of the modern car got a lot of button around the shifter, so this kind of mess can happen very quickly. So I hope my video helps you to resolve your problem. So let me know in the comment if my solution helped you, and please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tricks like this.